Eden Market.
You can call me baby, you can call me anytime. You gotta go.
One person, we don't know who it is, we just work for him. Those are our triple chocolate fudge brownies. That's half a pound of chocolate.
You gotta make me change my mind. Never done anyone reason. Said I talked to God, I love you. There ain't no more to say.
Still need to work on it.
Yeah.
Like blend in more.
It's really net. It went through.
I'm doing little videos of.
Morning, you try one of our maple popcorns?
Yes, please. Thank you.
It's not the whole kernel, it's a puff of corn.
Oh.
And then it's coated in the pure maple sugar and a little butter.
Is that the first one?
The first one. So you want something the flavors like beef chocolate.
I'm actually your neighbor. I'm your neighbor. I see you walking every day. Yes, I do. That was so nice of them to bring water for you.
Thank you very much. This is really cool.
Super cool. I'm just doing a video to show my daughter.
They need more help as they get older. So impressive.
I just look like set up in the beginning. I had a little umbrella and a tiny table. I only did the hair wraps at first.
Wave.